Okay, just finished doing some work. We didn't bring much with us because it's supposed to rain. Looks like it might not actually rain, but anyways. So, cut all this grass here. Can't get my hands on a weed bushwhacker until tomorrow, so this stuff has to stay for another day. Same as all this other small stuff. Trimmed all this down, trimmed around the trailer. Yeah, not much of an improvement, but it's a little bit cleaner. I had a fire going to create some smoke to deal with insects and stuff. Seemed to work until I ran over a hornet's nest with the lawnmower. So anyways, cleared all that, pushed it back, got the grass down. So when I get the bushwhacker, I can do a little bit more. My goal is to, not necessarily here, but at some point along here, blaze a trail through this bush to the creek, if possible. Yeah. So, I think this took about an hour, maybe hour and a half, maybe two. I did get stung by a hornet. I don't know, it could have been a hornet or a wasp. I wasn't really sure, but I went back with my lawnmower and ran over the nest again real good. It was right around there somewhere. I also cleaned up the front of the driveway as well, as best as I could with a lawnmower. The insects really like the truck. I don't know why. It's weird. The flies, they love the truck. Anyways, so this was all overgrown. I mowed this down a little bit, cleaned it up there. That's way too thick for me to get in with a lawnmower. So I'm gonna get in the truck before I get these flies all over me.